So we have started, as I promised you, that let alone I'm going to teach you from scratch. Okay, whether you are an individual, you have not done phone repair before, you are a technician but you want to add on, you didn't get a chance of getting a theory, you just rushed into the practical. So I will be teaching you the practical and the theory part. So now I'm starting with mobile phone parts and components identification. It is a very crucial steps. Earlier I dropped a video of the tools that you need of professional and beginners or starters, people who are just starting a bit in their people who are just starting the business. Okay, so that means if you really want to join the phone repair, you have to buy them and you make references with what I'm giving you right now. So follow this channel. It is phone.rehab.microsolidaring. I'm starting with Android and I will give you iPhone as well. So I'm starting with mobile phone parts and component identification. Inside a mobile phone or a circuit, okay, a circuit or what we call a PCB is one of the main components. Okay, it comes along with various other individual sections such as cover, antenna parts, microphone, battery, speaker, vibrator, cameras. The mobile phone circuit board is considered to be for all intents and purposes. It is the brain of the phone. It runs the entire operating system, and there are several components of the circuit board that work together to ensure the proper functioning of the mobile phone. So we are going to look at the list of those components. So one, we have the housing, we have the back cover, we have the display, we have the battery, we have the motherboard, we have the speaker, that is the earpiece or ringer or loudspeaker, we have the mic, which comes in analog or digital, we have the antenna pads, the camera, we have the vibrator, the sub board. Some people call it the charging flex, but it is the sub board, okay, that most times contains the charging section, the main mic, and the SIM card slot to latest models. We have the flex cables on and off switch. So let us go ahead and look at the components one by one. So I have started with the mobile phone housing. So mobile phone housing is the outer shell of the phone, protecting all the parts inside the mobile phone. Okay, some people they are calling it housing, some call it chassis. So the design and the color may vary according to the housing of a mobile phone and brands. Okay, the brand of a phone, the color they use. So if broken or decolored, some you can find them aftermarket. Okay, especially for phones that are widely known or widely common. So you will have for iPhone, Samsung, Itel, Infinix, Tecno, Redmi, Huawei, Honor, Google Pixel, very many others. So you can find them in different varieties. Some are metallic, some are plastic, some are made of glass. So we have the back cover as well. It comes in different varieties too. You may find it when it is glass, so you may find it when it is plastic, especially for the models that support wireless charging. For every model that supports wireless charging, you'll find out that it uses either plastic or glass back covers, because metallic does not support wireless charging. It interferes with the magnetism of the wireless charging plate. So and it ends up distorting the magnetic field. That's why wireless charging cannot be used in phones with metallic covers. So there are various components. I will be dropping the next component in the coming video, so keep following. Put on the notification bell. Whenever we drop a video, you will be able to see the notification. So this is lesson 1. I'm continuing to lesson 2. We are going to cover all components, and the way how to measure them, how to know whether this one is fault, how to diagnose them. So by the end of this course, you will be able to diagnose each and every Android smartphone. So keep following.